y'all, today's video is sponsored by Angiequeen hair. They sent me over this beautiful 28-inch 5x5 curly closure wig. This was transparent lace and everything about this wig was amazing. The curls are so beautiful, as you guys can see, okay? Very defined. The baby hairs, oh my god, I did that. Like, I love the baby hairs I did on this wig. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, just continue watching. The lace on this wig was amazing, and it was very easy to work with. So thank you so much, Angiequeen hair, for sending me over this wig. All the details will be down below in the description about this hair. Let's hop into the video. So here I am doing my ball cap, you know, the usual. Just gonna put your cap on, and they sent me this cap also. I love this cap. It's very like thin and nude, so I can see my hair under the cap. And I'm just gonna put my adhesive glue like around the perimeter of my hairline after cutting out my ear tabs for my cap. Ball cap, it's the same every single time. Yeah, I use this to protect my hair from the glue and to get a more seamless and natural look for under my wig. So now I'm gonna put on my wig, and you guys see, like, this hair is just freaking beautiful. I really love this hair. It was very soft. It didn't come with an odor. The curls are amazing, and when I put this wig on, it fit perfectly. Like, yes, I love this freaking wig. With this process, it's pretty repetitive. I just put my glue on. I do 3 layers of glue. I let each layer dry clear and spread it out, and then put on another layer. And then I'm gonna let my lace down. It's really repetitive, so I'll be back when we get to the baby hairs, because I'm pretty sure that's what you guys are here for, because these baby hairs, these baby hairs are freaking given, and this is a closure wig, period. So on to the fun part, the baby hairs. As you guys can see, I did carve out my hair for my baby hairs, and I'm just gonna pluck it because you don't want it to be really thick, or it's gonna look really like weird and wiggy. So you want to just pluck it, make it a thin layer, and just keep plucking until you feel like it's thin enough. You don't want to over pluck because you don't want it to be too thin, but you don't want it to be thick either. Like, just plucking the parts that's like super dark. You all want it to look like kind of thin, like a gradient effect. So just pluck until you feel that it looks decent. Here I am cutting my baby hairs with a razor. You can use scissors, but I like to use a razor over scissors because a razor gives you that like, it's not like a sharp, precise cut. It's more of a raggedy cut, and that's what you need with your baby hairs. And now I'm taking a little flat iron just to curl, and I like to curl under. Some people curl over, but I like to curl under, and curling it gives your baby hairs the fluffy curly look. It makes a huge difference. So if you don't have a little flat iron, baby, get you one, okay? Because it's gonna really help you with doing your baby hairs. And I sprayed some of my hairspray, which is Sebastian hairspray. You can use any hairspray you like, but I like to use Sebastian. It's light, but it has a hold, so I like that. It's very lightweight, but it gives you a pretty strong hold. And I also use Got to Be gel in the black bottle. I put that on the top of my baby hairs, but not the end. You want to leave the end gel free so that it can look really like curly and fluffy. And you don't want them to get all hard and cakey. So that's just what I'm going to do the whole time. And then I use my blow dryer to help kind of like mold it in place without having to put so much product on it, because I still want it to look soft and flaky. So I'm just going to do that with all the baby hairs. as you guys can see, I did do my makeup off camera, but here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys see how pretty and curly the curls are, and this was achieved by just water and mousse, guys. That's it. So you don't need a lot of products with this hair. Make sure you check out this hair down below. All the info will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and learned something new. Bye.